The Toyota Hilux's poor factory park brake function can be a concern for owners who use the vehicle recreationally or on the job, especially in areas with steep inclines such as off-road tracks and mining sites. Steep inclines and heavy loads increase the risk of rollaways, which poses an extreme safety risk for yourself and those around you. To eliminate this issue, Bendix now offers the ultimate four-wheel drive electric park brake for the Toyota Hilux. Suited for Hiluxes that see personal use, as well as those that see fleet use and mining use, the kit features a full rear drum to disc conversion, with replacement rear calipers that utilize an electric park brake function. This provides greater holding capability with the added benefit of increased overall stopping power from the conversion. This also retains the OEM drum park brake function, which can be applied independently if desired. The Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive electric park brake also features Auto On functionality, which automatically engages the electric park brake when the driver's door is opened or when the engine is switched off for greater peace of mind. The kit includes the wiring loom and switch to make it all work, and can be serviced without any specialized tools to wind back the calipers, making maintenance simple. Please note that the upgrade will require a mod plate or engineering sign-off to comply with your state's regulations. Fit the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive electric park brake to your Hilux to protect yourself and those around you from rollaways, from the campsite to the worksite. For more information on the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive park brake, visit www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.